Hi, this is Crystal from the Red Horse Farm, and I just want to say thank you to Catherine Kahi for these really fantastic hand-painted signs that she has provided for us. If you get a chance to visit the farm, you'll see them located all over the place. They're beautiful, individual, hand-done artwork by a local artist, and we just love the professional and cozy feel that they provide at the Red Horse Farm. Thanks again, Catherine, for all of your hard work and supporting and helping us to make this a wonderful barn to be at.
If you would like to know more about Catherine Kahi's art, please see her YouTube channel, Casey Galleries Fine Art, or visit her on the web at caseygallery.pixel.com. Please see links below.